15 Infallible Daily Practices for Having Steel-like Bones After 60. Have you ever wondered what will happen to your bones as time goes on? How can you prevent them from becoming fragile and prone to fractures? And more importantly, is there a way to keep them strong and healthy even after 60? Maintaining bone health at this stage of life might seem challenging, but it's not impossible. What if I told you there are 15 simple and effective daily practices that can turn your bones into real, steel-like bones? How would your life be if, instead of fearing falls and fractures, you could live with more confidence and independence? Stay with me until the end because Practice 13 is a true miracle and few people know about it. Important! We've listed all the references used to create this video in the description for you to access whenever you want. Let's get started. What happens to your bones as you age? As we age, bone loss becomes an inevitable reality for many. From the age of 30, we start to lose bone mass gradually, a process that accelerates after 50, especially in women, due to menopause and the reduction of estrogen levels. This hormone is essential for maintaining bone density. In men, bone loss also occurs, though more slowly. This loss can result in more fragile bones, increasing the risk of fractures even from minor falls. Additionally, the body's ability to absorb calcium decreases with age, which can worsen the problem. Without proper care, osteoporosis, a condition where bones become extremely porous and brittle, can develop silently. Understanding this process is the first step in combating it. Fortunately, there are effective ways to slow down this bone loss and even strengthen bones, allowing for healthier and safer aging. The devastating consequences of not taking care of bone health. Don't fall into this trap. Ignoring bone health can have severe and often irreversible consequences. Without proper treatment or lifestyle changes, bone loss can lead to debilitating conditions such as osteoporosis, which makes bones extremely fragile and prone to fractures. These fractures, especially in the hip, spine, and wrist, can result in chronic pain, loss of mobility, and in severe cases, the need for surgery or even prolonged hospitalization. The loss of independence is one of the most serious consequences, as bone fractures can limit the ability to perform daily activities, impacting the quality of life. Moreover, recovery from a bone fracture in the elderly is slow and often incomplete, which can increase the risk of additional complications such as infections and cardiovascular diseases. Therefore, taking preventive measures is crucial to avoid these consequences. Investing in bone health now can make all the difference in the future, ensuring more years of active and independent living. 15 Infallible Daily Practices for Having Steel-like Bones After 60. 1. Revealed Secret. Foods that supercharge your bones with calcium. Calcium is one of the most important building blocks for strong and healthy bones. As we age, the need for calcium increases, making it essential to consume adequate amounts of this mineral in your daily diet. Calcium can be found in a variety of foods, with dairy products like milk, cheese, and yogurt being the most well-known sources. However, there are other calcium-rich options, such as dark green leafy vegetables, spinach, kale, fish like sardines and salmon, especially when consumed with the bones, and fortified products like orange juice and cereals. For those who are lactose intolerant or follow vegan diets, options like almond or soy milk fortified with calcium are valuable alternatives. Including a variety of these sources in your daily diet not only helps maintain adequate calcium levels but also promotes overall better health. Remember, a diet rich in calcium is a fundamental step in building strong bones and preventing future bone problems. 2. The truth about vitamin D. Why you need it for strong bones. Vitamin D plays a crucial role in bone health as it facilitates the absorption of calcium by the body. Without adequate levels of this vitamin, even with sufficient calcium intake, your bones may not receive the necessary support. The main source of vitamin D is sun exposure since the skin synthesizes this vitamin when exposed to sunlight. However, as we age, the skin's ability to produce vitamin D diminishes, and many people, especially those living in areas with little sunlight, may develop a deficiency. To ensure sufficient levels of vitamin D, it is recommended to spend about 15 to 20 minutes in the sun daily, preferably during the early morning hours. Additionally, including vitamin D-rich foods such as fatty fish, salmon, tuna, egg yolk, and fortified foods can help. In cases of deficiency, vitamin D supplementation, always guided by a doctor, may be necessary to ensure your bones remain strong and healthy. 3. Want stronger bones? Discover the power of resistance exercises. Resistance exercises are essential for strengthening bones and muscles. When you perform activities that require strength, such as lifting weights, doing push-ups, or using resistance bands, your bones and muscles are stimulated to become stronger. This resistance against gravity and other external weights helps increase bone density, reducing the risk of osteoporosis and fractures. Additionally, these exercises improve balance and coordination, decreasing the likelihood of falls, which are one of the main causes of fractures in the elderly. For beginners, starting with light weights and gradually increasing intensity is a safe and effective approach. It's important to remember that regularity is key to achieving the best results. Try to include resistance exercises at least 2 to 3 times a week in your routine. Consulting a healthcare professional or a physical educator before starting a new exercise regimen is always advisable, especially if you have pre-existing health conditions. 4. Walking outdoors. The simple trick that strengthens your bones. Walking and engaging in outdoor activities are effective and enjoyable ways to strengthen bones, improve cardiovascular health, and boost overall well-being. Walking, being a low-impact exercise, is particularly beneficial for the elderly as it minimizes the risk of injury while still promoting bone health. When you walk, your body weight naturally applies a load on the bones of your legs and spine, stimulating bone formation and increasing density. Additionally, walking outdoors offers the added benefit of sun exposure, which can help in the production of vitamin D. Try to walk at least 30 minutes a day, 5 times a week. If possible, choose varied terrains like trails or hills to increase the challenge and benefits. Besides walking, activities like gardening, light cycling, or even dancing outdoors can be integrated into your routine, providing fun and health in one package. 5. Healthy weight, strong bones. The surprising impact of weight control. Maintaining a healthy body weight is vital for bone health, especially in old age. Excess weight puts an additional load on bones, especially in the joints of the knees, hips, and spine, increasing the risk of fractures and joint problems. On the other hand, being underweight can also be harmful, as it can lead to bone mass loss and muscle weakness, making bones more susceptible to fractures. Therefore, finding a balance is essential. To maintain a healthy weight, a combination of a balanced diet and regular exercise is the best approach. Eat a variety of fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains, avoiding processed foods and those high in sugars and saturated fats. Regular physical activities such as walking, swimming, or resistance exercises also help maintain a suitable and healthy weight. Maintaining this balance not only benefits the bones but also improves overall health and quality of life. 6. Supplements. What you need to know before taking them. Supplementation may be necessary to maintain bone health, especially when diet and lifestyle alone cannot meet all of the body's nutritional needs. For many people, especially those with dietary deficiencies or restrictions, calcium and vitamin D supplements may be recommended to ensure that bones remain strong. However, supplementation should be done with caution and always under the guidance of a healthcare professional, as an excess of certain nutrients, such as calcium, can cause health problems, such as kidney stones. In addition to calcium and vitamin D, other supplements that may be considered include magnesium, vitamin K2, and omega-3 fatty acids, all of which are important for bone health. Before starting any supplementation, it is essential to have blood tests to determine if there are specific deficiencies. Proper supplementation can be a powerful tool in maintaining bone health, but it should be used as a complement, not a substitute, for a balanced diet and an active lifestyle. 7. The silent enemy of your bones. Beware of smoking and alcohol. Avoiding smoking and excessive alcohol consumption is crucial for bone health. Smoking interferes with the body's ability to absorb calcium, an essential mineral for bone formation and maintenance. Additionally, smoking decreases estrogen production, a hormone that protects bones. As a result, smokers have a higher risk of developing osteoporosis and fractures. Alcohol, on the other hand, when consumed in excess, can impair the absorption of calcium and vitamin D, and increase the risk of falls due to loss of balance and coordination. Excessive alcohol consumption can also damage the liver, which plays an important role in activating vitamin D in the body. To protect your bones, it is advisable to quit smoking and limit alcohol consumption to moderate levels, which means up to 1 drink per day for women and up to 2 for men. These lifestyle changes are essential for long-term bone health maintenance. 8. How controlling chronic diseases can save your bones. Controlling chronic diseases is crucial for maintaining bone health in old age. Conditions such as diabetes, rheumatoid arthritis, and thyroid disorders can have a direct impact on bone density and fracture risk. For example, diabetes can lead to bone fragility, while inflammatory diseases like rheumatoid arthritis can cause bone loss due to the chronic inflammatory process. Additionally, medications often used to treat these conditions, such as corticosteroids, can also weaken bones over time. It is crucial that people with chronic diseases work closely with their doctors to manage these conditions effectively, minimizing their impact on bone health. This may include adjustments to medication, adopting a nutrient-rich diet essential for bones, and incorporating appropriate exercises into their daily routine. Proper management of chronic diseases not only protects bones but also improves quality of life and reduces the risk of additional complications. 9. Surprising. How drinking water can strengthen your bones. Hydration plays an essential role in maintaining bone health. While water is often associated with skin and organ health, it is also vital for bone health. Our bones contain about 31% water, and dehydration can lead to bone density loss and increase the risk of fractures. Water is necessary for transporting nutrients to bone cells and for removing metabolic waste. Additionally, proper hydration helps maintain joint flexibility and prevent falls, which are a common cause of fractures in old age. To ensure that you are hydrating correctly, try to drink at least 8 glasses of water per day, adjusting the amount as needed based on factors like physical activity and climate. It's also important to remember that water-rich foods, such as fruits and vegetables, can contribute to total fluid intake. Staying hydrated is a simple but effective way to care for your bones. 10. Discover how stretching can strengthen your bones and prevent injuries. Stretching practices are essential for bone and muscle health, especially in old age. Regular stretching helps maintain flexibility, improves joint range of motion, and reduces the risk of injuries during daily activities. When muscles are more flexible, they can better absorb impact, protecting bones from fractures. Additionally, stretching improves blood circulation, which is vital for transporting nutrients to bones and muscles. Practicing daily stretching can help relieve stiffness and joint pain, common with aging, promoting greater mobility and independence. Simple stretches, such as touching your toes, stretching your arms above your head, or stretching your hips and back, can be done at home without the need for specialized equipment. For best results, set aside 10 to 15 minutes a day to stretch, preferably after physical activities when muscles are warm and more receptive to stretching. 11. Anti-inflammatory diet. The secret to strong and healthy bones. Adopting an anti-inflammatory diet is a powerful strategy to protect bone and overall health. Chronic inflammation in the body can accelerate bone loss and increase the risk of diseases such as osteoporosis. Foods rich in antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals help fight inflammation and promote bone health. Include foods like berries, dark leafy vegetables, nuts, olive oil, omega-3 rich fish, like salmon and sardines, and spices such as turmeric and ginger, known for their anti-inflammatory properties. Reduce the intake of processed foods, refined sugars, and saturated fats, which can contribute to inflammation. Additionally, balancing calcium and magnesium intake is important for bone health. Foods like almonds, pumpkin seeds, and avocado are excellent sources of magnesium. Adopting an anti-inflammatory diet not only strengthens bones but also improves cardiovascular health, helps control weight, and promotes overall well-being. 12. Avoid fractures. Turn your home into a safe haven. Preventing falls at home is essential to protect bone health, especially for people over 60. Falls are one of the main causes of fractures in the elderly, and most of these falls occur inside the home. To minimize this risk, it's important to carefully review the home environment. Remove loose rugs, disorganized electrical cords, and other obstacles that could cause tripping. Install grab bars in bathrooms, especially near toilets and inside the shower stall, to help maintain balance. Ensure that all areas of the house, including stairs and hallways, are well lit. Wearing appropriate footwear with non-slip soles is also an important preventive measure. Additionally, keep frequently used items in accessible places to avoid the need to climb ladders or stools. Taking these simple precautions can significantly reduce the risk of falls and fractures, providing a safer and more comfortable home environment. 13. Regular Checkups. The step that can save your bones. Regular checkups with a specialist, such as an endocrinologist or rheumatologist, are essential for maintaining bone health. These professionals can assess bone density through tests like bone densitometry, identify risks of osteoporosis, and prescribe appropriate treatments. Regular follow-ups are especially important for those already diagnosed with osteopenia or osteoporosis, or for those in risk groups such as postmenopausal women and people with a family history of bone problems. Additionally, a specialist can guide you on the need for calcium and vitamin D supplementation, as well as recommend lifestyle adjustments to strengthen bones. These checkups are also an opportunity to discuss any new symptoms or concerns that may arise, allowing for early and more effective interventions. Don't underestimate the importance of maintaining an open dialogue with your doctor. Prevention and early treatment are the keys to long-lasting bone health and preventing debilitating fractures. 14. Don't underestimate the power of sleep on your bone health. Sleep plays a crucial role in bone health. During sleep, the body performs various repair and regeneration functions, including bone renewal. Studies indicate that lack of adequate sleep can interfere with the production of hormones essential for maintaining bone density, such as melatonin and growth hormone. Additionally, sleep deprivation is associated with increased oxidative stress and inflammation, factors that can accelerate bone loss. To ensure quality sleep, it is important to maintain a regular sleep routine, going to bed and waking up at the same time every day. Create a conducive sleep environment, with a dark, quiet, and comfortable bedroom. Avoid using electronic devices before bed, as the blue light emitted by these screens can interfere with melatonin production. Sleeping between 7 to 9 hours per night is ideal to allow the body to repair and strengthen bones, contributing to better overall health. 15. Take care of your bones every day with these simple actions. Maintaining a daily care routine is essential for bone health in the golden years. Small actions taken daily can have a significant impact on preserving and strengthening bones. Start the day with a calcium and vitamin D-rich breakfast, such as fortified milk or yogurt with fruits. Incorporate physical exercises into your routine, such as morning walks or stretching, which help maintain bone density and mobility. Hydrate properly throughout the day by drinking water regularly to keep joints and bones healthy. Avoid sitting for long periods. Move around every hour to stimulate circulation and bone health. Include anti-inflammatory foods in your main meals and avoid excessive consumption of salt and caffeine, which can interfere with calcium absorption. Set aside time to rest and ensure quality sleep, which is crucial for bone regeneration. This daily routine of simple care can make all the difference in your long-term bone health. Recap: taking care of bone health is a continuous commitment that can bring enormous benefits to your quality of life, especially after 60. Throughout this video, we explored 15 daily practices that are essential for keeping bones strong and healthy. From the importance of a diet rich in calcium and vitamin D, to regular resistance exercises and outdoor activities, to the need to avoid harmful habits like smoking and excessive alcohol consumption. We also highlighted the importance of controlling chronic diseases, maintaining adequate hydration, adopting an anti-inflammatory diet, and preventing falls at home. We reminded you of the importance of regular checkups with specialists and ensuring quality sleep. All these tips are part of a comprehensive plan to strengthen your bones and promote healthy and active aging. Now, it's time to apply this knowledge to your daily routine. The health of your bones depends on the choices you make today. Keep taking care of yourself and live with more vigor and safety. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I wish you great health, wealth, and happiness. See you in the next video.